Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. And I just completed a 5-day trip to Tawang, where temperatures are pretty cold right now. Um, and this is all that I carried basically. And it was a challenge for myself, and even some of my friends are surprised. So basically, just an old rynox tank bag and a backpack, and that's it. So let me quickly share you, and let me know if if all the basics are covered or not with this particular uh, you know whatever I had basically. So basically, I was using. Let's do this. Let's go through the contents of the tank bag first via telegraphs. So this is the tank bag. It's an old, very old Rynox tank bag. So here on the left, we have a spare tube. That's a 19-inch spare tube for the front, but it should actually work for the rear as well. And then we have the clutch cable and brake. Clutch lever and brake lever for the handle. Tire pressure monitor. Gauge. So that's it on this pouch. On this side, we have a chain loop and my toolkit. I had made a separate video for this about this toolkit. I'll probably link it somewhere here. So that's it for this. And here there were some toiletries, basic toiletries that I had, and I kept my earplugs here. So it was easy access. So whenever I had to access them while riding, I just close this and open this. So yeah, that's it for the front. Side pockets. Some ORS was here. Some meds were here. And as you can see, there's still a t-shirt that's open here. But all my clothes were in this plastic garbage bag. I use these garbage bags so that just in case if it rains, there's some sort of waterproofing still that happens. And these are brilliant ways I feel to actually waterproof everything that you need to. So for clothes, basically a set of thermals, a couple of undergarments, socks, t-shirts, everything compacted into this bag, this garbage bag. Somehow it fits in this, and I don't need to bear this weight. So that is the clothes. Some ND filters. This is my thyroid medication. GoPro mounts. Some more garbage bags just in case if I need them. Some churpi that I got. This is Dettol wipes just in case. More electrolytes. And this is the clutch cable. So that's about it. That is everything that went into this tank bag, and I think I was able to actually manage myself. The only thing that I felt lacking towards the end was a pair of socks, and yep, that's about it. In the backpack, okay, let me put everything to the side. Actually, let's move this side. So in the backpack, of course, I was riding with these, so they were on me at all times. And this, some tissue papers, just to clean all the visors or the goggles that we're using. That's about it. The GoPro bag with the batteries and some additional mounts. My thermal is still here because I took off the thermal once we got down to a lower level and I didn't need them anymore. So I just kept it in this backpack. It was easier. Again, some more garbage bag with, I believe I have a jacket here. Yep, this is a jacket from Decathlon. The cover for the bag. What else? There's something else. And a cap, just in case if I needed them. What else? What else is here? And my rain pants. So the jacket that I was using was the rynox. Wait, I don't even remember the name. I'll put it somewhere here. So it has its own compartment for the rain jacket, and I just had to carry the rain pants, so that was the only thing that was needed. And shades from GoPro. And I was carrying a water bladder as well in this. There you go. And documents for the vehicle. It has the ILP as well. Wait, and the last pocket here, hang on. The last pocket here has some more plastic bags and my EDC wallet. That's about it. That is all the things, including clothes, that I carried along with me on a 5-day trip to Tawang and Bumla Pass. And it was cold. It was really cold. Certain places, of course, there were minus temperatures, and we saw ice, not snow yet, but yes. Videos from the Tawang trip will be coming up soon. Please subscribe for more such videos. Hang on, I think I missed something. A set of leather gloves for extreme cold. And since I had a friend riding along, he was carrying these for me. So these are the ring spanners for opening the front and the rear, and a small portable hand pump for the tube. I've tested this. This would be just enough to inflate about just enough air to actually make the bike rideable again. So yeah, that's it. It's a mess now. But yeah, once again, bye-bye. Take care.